Welcome to the Sync Stores YouTube channel. This video will show you a quick tutorial on how to use your monthly budgeting spreadsheet. Start your monthly budget by double-clicking the cell and selecting the date you want your monthly tracking to start. This will also automatically edit the dates and daily spending. To update your income stream, enter any rollover finances from the month prior before entering other streams of income in the rows below. For your savings, enter what you're expecting to save within the month. Don't enter actual savings, as these will automatically be pulled from the transaction tracker. Edit, add, or remove any savings under the name column. For your debt, enter what you're expecting to pay off within the month. But don't enter actual debts, as these will automatically be pulled from the transaction tracker. Edit, add, or remove any debts under name column. For your bills, double-click the cell to enter their due date and enter what you're expecting to pay. Don't enter actual bills, as these will automatically be pulled from the transaction tracker. Edit, add, or remove any bills under bill name column to personalize your tracker. For your expenses, enter what you're expecting to pay. Don't enter actual expenses, as these will automatically be pulled from the transaction tracker. Edit, add, or remove any bills under expenses name column to personalize your tracker. Your transaction tracker is the hub of all your data and will influence the rest of your tracking. Double-click on the cells underneath column date to record the date of the transaction. Enter the amount in the next column. To decide what budget this transaction is coming from, click the drop-down menu and it'll show all options from your savings, debt, bills, and expenses. Once entered, you'll start to see your budget automatically adjusting to your spending. Any other details can be added under the description column. If you found this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe for helpful spreadsheet and budgeting tips.